Working with GIS data and encountered a NAD file for coordinate transformations? This is a North American Datum grid shift file used in geographic coordinate transformations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling NAD files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. A NAD file contains grid-based data for converting geographic coordinates between different North American datums, e.g. the NAD 27 to NAD 83. GIS professionals and surveyors use these files within mapping software to ensure spatial accuracy when working with datasets from different sources or time periods. The file is typically a binary grid shift file, GSB format, containing latitudinal and longitudinal shift values. This binary structure is optimized for fast lookups and interpolation by GIS software, allowing for efficient, on-the-fly coordinate transformations across large geographic areas without complex recalculations for every point. Technically, the best program for NAD is usually ArcGIS Pro from Esri. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows lacks support for coordinate transformations, so GIS software must manage these files. To begin troubleshooting, right-click the NAD file and choose Open With. If you have ArcGIS Pro available, that's your first option. Otherwise, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple apps. If the NAD file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent NAD problem. First, locating the grid files. Download the appropriate NAD grid files from the NOAA National Geodetic Survey website or your GIS software vendor. Common files include NADCON grids for NAD 27 to NAD 83 conversion, and NTV2 files for high-precision regional transformations across the United States and Canada. Next, configuring GIS software. Place the NAD grid files in the location expected by your GIS software, such as the PROJ data directory for QGIS and ArcGIS, or a configured custom path. The software uses these files automatically when performing coordinate transformations between NAD 27 and NAD 83 reference frames. Finally, performing transformations. In your GIS application, select Datum transformation options when reprojecting data between NAD 27 and NAD 83. The software references the NAD grid files to apply position-dependent shifts achieving submeter accuracy compared to constant shift parameters or simpler transformation methods. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open-source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.